please subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.
Hello guys, it's Prince here bringing you another entertainment update. In today's video we have Baby Jet Asamoah Gyan. So Baby Jet finally hit the studio to record a new song after a long break. The former Black Stars striker and musician has been off the music scene for some time now, and his music fans might have really missed him. Baby Jet has finally decided to record another banger for all his fans. In this video, Baby Jet together with Miss Master Garzy and Kiani are in the studio vibing with Baby Jet and Kiani yet to be released song. Guys, enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace, I'm out.